Hi everyone, I'm Tripti Jain. So this video is all about UPSC 2023 strategy. So this video is valid for all those working professionals, non-working aspirants also. They can watch. And also those who are planning to appear in 2024, they can also watch this video. You can just stretch this strategy. And I have provided a universal strategy in which I have divided into several phases. So let's begin. Phase 1 is divided into the planning portion. First, before attempting the exam, you have to understand it. That what is UPSC asking? What is it wanting from the aspirants? So for that, you have to go through the syllabus very, very effectively. For that, just take the printout, okay, and then read it every day because you have to mug that syllabus. If you don't remember the syllabus, you'll study the whole part in the syllabus, everything under the sun, which is not possible and which is not valid, which is the myth for the UPSC aspirants. So first take the printout, read it aloud, and eventually gradually you will develop an understanding of the syllabus. Then अपने walls पे आप चिपका सकते हो syllabus को या कहीं पे भी जहाँ पे आप पढ़ते हो बैठ के. Then second part comes the previous year question analysis. Prelims and mains का दोनों का आता है. You can see the above portion I have pasted also. That is, you can purchase this book. That is Arihant Publications. So previous year question analysis, that is 25 years. Minimum 12-15 years is good enough. And if you have time, like you are appearing in 2023, so 25 years will be a good year amount of time in which you can analyze the previous year questions. So this is the phase 1. Where you have to, just go through the syllabus and previous year questions. So you have to be thorough with the exam pattern of the UPSC Civil Services exam. Now comes the phase 2. Phase 2 I have divided into the daily revision targets, the weekly revision and the monthly revision targets. And this planning you have to follow throughout your UPSC preparation. See, UPSC preparation is always an integrated approach where you have to prepare for prelims and mains both simultaneously. Only a few subjects like world history, ethics does not come in the prelims paper, but you have to prepare before appearing the prelims exam. This is my personal advice. Okay, so phase 2, that is divided into the revision targets. But first, since you are appearing in 2023-24, so you have 18 months in total, 17 to 18 months. I'm assuming that prelims will be in June 2023. So for that, you have to be thorough with the NCERTs. Since NCERTs are the foundation blocks of every subject, be it polity, history, etc. So you have to be thorough with it. And like पहले जब आप पढ़ोगे, don't make notes because you'll end up summarizing the whole book. Okay, and this I have prepared another video also. You can just tap the pop-up appearing on the screen. So coming back to the topic, that is NCERTs. First you have to be thorough with it, with each and every subject, and then follow the newspaper, be it The Hindu or Indian Express. Make short notes and one monthly magazine. So it will take around 2 to 3 months depending on your reading comprehending capacity, and you will complete all the NCERTs with the short notes. Now comes the phase 3, that is 4 to 5 months. And this will include all the standard books like the Lakshmikant for polity, Spectrum for modern India. And I have prepared a book list also. The pop-up must be appearing on the screen. You can check that video. So in this, you have to be very thorough with the subject standard books. And it will take a lot of time also because you are a beginner. So eventually you will develop pace with the understanding and comprehending the questions. And simultaneously you can start your optional. See, it depends on what your optional is. Like few optionals like sociology, anthropology, it takes only 2 to 3 months while preparing, including the answer writing also. My optional is sociology and I completed in 2 to 3 months. So it depends on you. And you should start the answer writing also simultaneously, like the mains answer writing, because even if you clear prelims and you don't have any knowledge about answer writing, so you'll end nowhere. See, so you have to prepare. Now comes the final phase, that is before prelims, and इसमें 3 to 4 months देने चाहिए prelims में, the final phase, and it will be like March, April, May, June, and I'm assuming like paper June में होगा 2023 में. So इसमें you have to be very thorough with the mock papers. Mock series आपको लगाना शुरू करना है at least 3 months पहले, and इसमें आपकी CSAT की भी preparation include होगी, जिसका भी background नहीं है मतलब या आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड है जो CSAT में नंबर स्कोर नहीं कर पाते, उसकी भी मैं एक सेपरेट वीडियो लाऊंगी अभी, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर CSAT. सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर CSAT एंड दी मॉक पेपर्स. जैसे जो भी मॉक आते हैं जिस भी इंस्टीट्यूट के आपको रेफर करने हैं, लाइक पर्सनली आपको कम से कम 2 इंस्टीट्यूट के रेफर करने चाहिए, सो दैट डेली एनालिसिस आपका हो सके. और पूरा एक पेपर एनालिसिस करने में भी 1 दिन लग जाता है, क्योंकि आप अटेम्प्ट करोगे 2 घंटे में, फिर उसको एनालाइज करोगे, फिर उसको प्रॉपर रीडिंग करोगे, उसकी जो एक्सप्लेनेशन होती है, तो पूरा एक लगभग दिन लग जाता है. तो इसलिए 3-4 महीने देने चाहिए बिफोर प्रीलिम्स. तो इसमें आपको क्या करना होता है कि एक तो रिविजन करना होता है. रिविजन 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 इज द की. प्रीलिम्स को पार करने की बस एक ही तरीका है, रिविजन. जितना चाहे आप रिवाइज करो उतना ही अच्छा होगा आपके लिए. और कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की एंड डिसिप्लिन. तो ये आपको थ्रू आउट रखना ही है प्रिपरेशन में. तो इस वाले फेज में बिफोर प्रीलिम्स, इसमें आपको अच्छे से प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं सारे, जो भी एनालिसिस आपने किया है पहले. फिर अपने जो भी आपने नोट्स बनाए हैं एनसीईआरटीज के, उसका आपको रिवीजन करना है. जो भी आपने फाउंडेशन बुक्स पढ़ी है, स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स पढ़ी है लाइक लक्ष्मीकांत, पॉलिटी की एंड एक्सेट्रा, तो उसके भी आपको रिवाइज करना है. 1 से ज्यादा बार कोशिश करनी है कि कम से कम 10 बार तो आप रिवाइज कर लो. मतलब बहुत अच्छे से टिप्स पे होनी चाहिए कुछ चीजें. तो लाइक कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स के जैसे पॉलिटी, हिस्ट्री, सबसे ज्यादा जो स्कोरिंग है वो तो आपके टिप्स पे होनी चाहिए, एकदम रट जाना चाहिए अच्छे से. एंड देन इसके बाद आपको मॉक पेपर्स लगाने हैं, उसको एनालाइज करना है कि कहाँ आपकी मिस्टेक्स हो रही है. सो दिस इज इट अबाउट द यूपीएससी 2023 स्ट्रैटेजी. और थ्रू आउट जैसे क्या होता है, अभी टाइम है लाइक 17 to 18 मंथ्स है. सो बच्चे क्या हो जाते हैं कि पढ़ते नहीं हैं या लाइटली लेते हैं. सो यू डोंट हैव टू डू दैट, बिकॉज यूपीएससी इज अ गेम. अगर आप नहीं पढ़ोगे तो कोई और पढ़ेगा, वो निकल जाएगा, बाजी मार जाएगा. So don't give anyone else the opportunity to excel if you can do that. Okay, so all the best. Thank you.